Welcome to Xaltius Spotlight. I'm Aditi and I'm Business Development Executive at Xaltius. So, we're so today I'm joined by Mr. Radu, a learner from Data Science Certification Program at Xaltius Academy. Basically, welcome to Xaltius Spotlight, where we shine a light on the incredible journey of learners who have taken the step to upskill and unlock new possibilities in the tech world. So let's start this spotlight, Radu. So basically, how are you?
Good, good. Thank you for having me on Xaltius Spotlight. I'm really glad to be here. Thanks for the invitation.
Okay. So, uh, Radu, welcome to Exalted Spotlight again. To start, can you share a bit about your background and what you were doing before enrolling in this course?
Sure. I'm an embedded software engineer with over a decade experience in the automotive industry, and I'm working in this field since 2012. Throughout my career, I've witnessed significant transformation in the automotive sector, particularly with the autonomous vehicles and data-driven manufacturing. And with this evolution, I've been motivated to expand my skill set and see how data science could be applied to the automotive sector. I've been
That's really
fascinated by machine learning and the potential to its industry, and this is why I had my goal to reach for a new type of course and understand the data science methodologies and how I can contribute with them.
okay again. So, what inspired you to start learning data science? Was there a moment or experience, any experience that motivated you to join this program?
Yeah, so it was definitely the transformation I've seen around in the sector I'm employed in. And since I've always had the passion to understand the data science and machine learning, I saw the course advertised and I recognized it as an opportunity to formalize the knowledge and gain structured experience in this format.
Okay. That's really great to hear that. So, there are many questions out there. What made you choose Exaltius Academy and this particular B15DS program? So, was there anything about the curriculum structure or flexibility that helped you to decide this was the right fit?
Yeah, so there are several key factors that I have seen this course was the right one for me. So first one, the 6 month structure was particularly appealing for me, and especially the 2 month project phase with dedicated support in the end. It was essentially a guided internship experience. So with this hands-on component, it was really crucial for applying the theoretical knowledge that I've acquired during the program.
Okay.
The curriculum addressed my skill gaps, and I really enjoy that. I've seen it covers Power BI and machine learning with Python, which were the areas that I really wanted to strengthen my expertise.
So, what topics or tools did you find most exciting during your studies? Like, take an example, Python, Power BI, or machine learning.
Yeah, so as I've mentioned, Power BI and Python were definitely the most exciting topics for me in the program. So with Power BI, because I had no prior knowledge of it,
Mhm.
but I did know that it was a powerful tool used also in the industry. And I wanted to learn how to create dashboards with it and visualizations, and I really enjoyed learning this part. And with Python, although I had programming experience with this language, I was not familiar with the data science tools, libraries, methodologies, and I wanted to discover how to use Python for data wrangling and machine learning.
Okay. That's really great to hear that your favorite topic was Power BI. Okay, so how did you manage the balance between your coursework and your other commitments?
So balancing the coursework and my other commitments was okay, was very manageable. I enjoyed the fact that it was weekend class with 2 hours per day, and the instructors were really supportive.
Okay.
And they were also available when I encountered challenges. So every time I had a question, they were available to clarify it, and this supported me in doing the assignment. Also, in the final 2 month project, the we reached different flexibility since we only met up in a few occasions, but it allowed me to do the projects at my own pace and applied everything I learned. So the structures really accommodated working professionals.
So, was there a particular project, assignment, or case study that you found especially meaningful or challenging?
So the most challenging and meaningful project for me was the e-commerce business analytics, and here we used Power BI. So the project pushed me beyond simply visualizing data, which I usually do it, let's say, naturally, but I had to strategically think about the insights that would be valuable for the business and for the decision making. And of course, I had to understand how to extract the recommendations for a business owner. So the challenge wasn't just technical, it also required me to develop a business mindset.
Okay. So, how did applying your skills to real world data set help you grow your confidence?
So the knowledge was I found it useful and applicable in my professional environment. And I had the opportunity to analyze employee feedback forms, for example, or create dashboards for management.
Mm-hmm.
And so I was able to transfer this raw feedback into clear, actionable insights. Plus, working with real-world data sets significantly boosted my confidence because I could see the practical value of these skills. So it validated that I could take data from the workplace and deliver solutions to stakeholders that they could use.
Okay. So, have you started using the skills you learned in your current role, side project, or any freelance work?
Yeah, absolutely. I've been actively applying it in my current role and working in a large company. I regularly encounter big data sets that previously I did not know what to do with them. But now with the structured methodology that I did learn by data cleaning, exploratory analysis, and then answering the business questions, and this with this approach, it has made me more effective with complex data problems.
So, how has the program changed your perspective on data driven decision making or problem solving?
So it shifted my perspective from intuition based to data-driven decision making. And instead of relying on assumptions, I now validate the hypothesis with the data and then provide evidence-backed recommendations. This opened up new ways to contribute value in my current role.
Okay. So, next question for you. How was your experience with the instructors and this Xaltius support team?
My experience with the instructors and the support team was excellent throughout the program. The instructors were genuinely committed to student success and consistently went above and beyond ensuring the understanding. I was impressed. What really impressed me was their patience and dedication, and they did whatever it took for me to understand the concept.
Okay. Really great to hear from you. So, did you feel supported and encouraged throughout your journey?
Yeah, I did feel that way. So the encouragement I received throughout the journey made a significant difference in the confidence and motivation to take the and follow the course.
Okay. So, basically, now that you have completed your certification, what are your next goals?
I'm currently focused on deepening the knowledge on data science and machine learning through additional courseworks, and this will help me apply the concepts more effectively in my current role.
Okay. So are there particular industries or roles where you would like to apply your new skills?
Industries, I would want to use it in the automotive industry in my current role. So my goal is to position myself at the intersection of traditional engineering and data science, and I want to take advantage of what I learned throughout this course.
So what advice would you give to someone who's thinking about learning data science but has not made the leap yet?
So my advice is definitely simple, take the leap. So the tools and perspective you'll gain will change how you approach the problem solving in your career. And you have everything to gain from investing in these skills. So the learning journey wasn't easy. It was a nice challenge, but that is what makes it rewarding.
Okay. So any message you would like to share with the Xaltius community or future learners?
Sure, to the Xaltius community, I'm looking forward to reconnecting in future courses. Why not?
Okay.
And for the future learners, don't wait for the perfect time. Start now. And the program is designed to support you and to support working professionals. Plus, you'll get a fulfillment of completion of such a course.
So, Radu, thank you so much that you have joined that spotlight session. It's like great to hear from you. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.